Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, why don't you go ahead and press that subscribe button, turn notifications on so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Today I'm going to be unboxing this lovely right here. So let's get into unboxing. Alright guys, I am super excited to be unboxing this. I'm sure that if you guys are watching me on the regular, you will know that I have been waiting for this package for my birthday for about a week already. So I'm super excited that it has arrived today, and let's just dive right in and see what we got. Ooh, hello. Awesome decal. Yes. Okay. Let's just see what type of brushes we got. Now this is the 702 brush set. It is called Precision Eyes, and let's just dive right in. Oh my god. 12 brushes for $25. This was a steal. Right, guys, starting with the largest of the brushes in this set. Now these do not have individual names because it comes in a set, but this resembles the M524, and it is a large blending fluff. So this would be great to apply eyeshadow or to set the primer or base that you have all the way from the brow bone to the lash line in one quick, easy step. All right, moving on to the next size. This is a Tapered Bullet, and if you compare it to, this is the M441, it is almost exactly similar, except for the fact that this one is more fluffy. So again, I would use this to darken the outer corner, blend in that crease, maybe put a little bit underneath my eye. Super soft, like, oh my god, Morphe brushes are everything. Alright, the next brush that I'm going to be talking about today is this lovely right here. Now it does not have a name, but comparing it to my M330 brush, it is just slightly bigger but has the same shape, which I would use this again to really blend out my crease. Alright guys, the next brush we are going to be talking about is this lovely right here. Now if you are watching this at home, you will notice that these three brushes are exactly the same, except for they get a little bit smaller. So when you get the big one, you cover more area in a shorter time. When you get smaller, you go into detailing, which this brush would be perfect for a cut crease, just really blending it over that initial harsh line of the concealer. Perfect, perfect, perfect. These three are going to be my favorite brushes to play with. I can already tell you right now. Right, now we are going to dive into Chiseled Fluffs. This resembles the M152. The M152 would be the exact brush as this, except for the M152 has brown bristles and this have white. So again, this is perfect for packing on eyeshadow. Even the inner corner, perfect. Just spray a little Fix Plus and it will get your eyeshadows there like that. Okay, so I also wanted to include this brush, which is the same as this brush, just a little bit smaller. So again, if you have smaller eyes, the smaller brushes are perfect for you. I will, however, use both of these in my future eyeshadow looks, so make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss those, because my eyeshadow game is about to hit the roof, girls. All right, guys, this is another Chiseled Fluff, and this would be perfect for packing on the color in your crease before switching brushes to blend it out. This one, oh my god, it is so sturdy, like, this is going to last forever. All right, before we dive into brow and lower lash line brushes, I did want to include these detail bullets. Super small and precise, like you can't even really see it. It legit has like 8 hairs on it. But it is going to be perfect for the inner corner, adding a little bit of detail, maybe smoking out the liner, as well as this one, perfect for detailing, maybe adding a little bit of shadow underneath the waterline and blending it out. Perfect for detailed work. All right, the next brush that we're going to be talking about today is this lovely right here. It is a flat across, perfect for really getting into that lower lash line to buff out some color. And it resembles almost exactly, this is the M432, and as you can see, they are almost identical except for the color of the bristles. All right, the next brush that we're going to be talking about, of course, is a double-sided eyebrow brush. This is an angled liner brush, but it is perfect for really getting in and making your eyebrows really pop and look extra full. Of course, it comes with a spoolie on the other side. All right, I have seen so much controversy about brush sets that do not include liner brushes. Love that they all come individually wrapped. Like, that is so hygienic, is insane. Okay, so this one also comes with a brush protector, and it is super small and precise. Perfect for the cat eye, or even in the waterline, this would be perfect. I mean, they are so soft yet firm, if that makes sense. Can it be soft and firm at the same time? I think it can be, because these are super soft, but again, they don't bend like that of a more fluffy brush. All right, we are done with these brushes. Oh my gosh. So I am going to keep them safe in here until my next upload. So I am super excited about these brushes. If you like what you've seen in this video today, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. Also, comment down below and let me know if you guys are into the 702 Morphe brush set. Alright, I always love spending each and every moment that I can with you guys. So, until next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.